Tonight, new details on a Facebook post involving a foster parent case. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nina Sperano. Stacy is on assignment.
And I'm John Erickson. A longtime foster mother says she wants the county to pay her out-of-pocket health costs after she was pricked by a needle. NBC 26's Juliana Falk working this story today. Juliana?
The surgeons say they've been foster parents for Brown County for years, caring for dozens of children in addition to their own 4 children. But now they're trying to look for a change within the foster system. The Zirkins tell us the county can drop off a child in an emergency situation at their house at any time.
And they can call you, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
Katie Zirkins says that in February, a child was dropped off at their house and Katie was poked by a needle when going through the diaper bag. Katie says she saw the syringe before reaching in the bag, but did not see the needle and thought the syringe was for giving liquid Tylenol. She says she felt safe with the bag because it came from a social worker.
I grabbed the needle, showed it to my husband, and we looked through the bag and found several other items that resembled drug paraphernalia.
Katie and her husband Keith called police and say an officer took the items: a needle, rubber band, and what looked to be a cap with residue inside.
The police officer was concerned that there could have been fentanyl in the diaper bag, which can be life-threatening.
They tell us the officer was also concerned of diseases, so Katie went to her doctor and began preventative treatment for HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C. She says she also has to get 5 blood draws over the course of 6 months.
My health won't be cleared until August of this year.
Katie still in disbelief that drugs would be in a diaper bag.
This is something that we have to be careful for, and we need to work to protect ourselves.
The county said in a statement that the county initially offered to pay unexpected, reasonable, and appropriate medical expenses, but the case took a turn, the county said, when it looked like a lawsuit was coming. Katie said they did not ask for and don't plan to ask for anything but money to pay out-of-pocket medical expenses. The Zirkins want a policy change to ensure items are being searched before being brought into a home to protect other families. We've reached out to the Wisconsin Department of Children and Families, who says in a statement, quote, "Searching a child's things, especially when done in the context of removing a youth from their home, can cause unnecessary trauma to an already traumatized child." The Zirkins also hoping to have the county's support in a situation like this.
And we want to see more foster parents, more good foster parents, get licensed. And how can you license good foster parents if you have no support from the county?
The Zirkins just hoping their story can make a difference.
We have nothing but the utmost respect for the Brown County social workers, for foster care programs, and we want nothing but good things for the program.
Katie said at this point she's had $700 of out-of-pocket costs. They had a difficult time finding a lawyer to represent them on the incident, but tell us they were finally able to find a lawyer who is just as passionate about foster care as they are. They also have new support from State Senator Dave Hansen. He says Katie reached out to him and discussed what's going on. Senator Hansen says they will do what they can to help.
We have people who become foster care parents to do what's essential to help children get a better start in life. It takes special people to do that, and they shouldn't have to take on the risk of legal and health care bills when something like this happens. We should have their backs.
Senator Hansen adds he wants to make sure foster parents are well taken care of in a safe and healthy way. He says he's looking into what the current law is and how they may be able to make things better in these types of situations. We'll keep you updated on this story. Juliana Falk, NBC 26.